Okay, we're gonna be doing the machine flies now. You're gonna wanna find a machine fly just like this. You're gonna wanna move this right here. And basically, you wanna get a full stretch on those, on that chest. So, biggest thing here, guys, as far as the height, make sure it's in line with your chest, just like that. Okay, grab it. You're gonna wanna push in, down, 1, 2, 3, in, 1, 2, 3. Notice how I'm not touching here, okay? Because we're losing tension. Biggest thing here, guys, drive with those elbows, okay? Think about touching those elbows together, but keeping it outside. You're gonna keep the tension there. 1, 2, 3. One other thing, on the way down, think about going towards the outer walls. Now that's gonna get a full stretch, just like that. And in, 1, 2, 3. Think about those cues. Think about going to those outer walls. See how you get that full stretch. And then when you go in, think about those elbows driving, just like that. And get a good squeeze. 1, 2, 3. That's the pec fly.